Splendid confectionery. Yo, Daniel-san. We are in Bad Boy Cannock and we're gonna go do a little runnage. Guess what we're on now? We're not on the phoneage no more. We're on the fucking GoPro, mate. It's currently 8:49. We're gonna get cracking. Oh, some fucking horses. Hello. And we've got the boy Rob. And, you know, we're gonna get cracking. We're gonna do a little runnage. Probably do around about 30k. So, you know, we're fucking ready. Got some sweetage as well. Ready to get cracking, mate. So right here, we've got the Fingernail trails. This is gonna be the trail. And that's a preview of it. So, give us a little rundown, Robbage.
11.1k, 242 elevation gains, 3 laps of that, 3/4 of a marathon.
Yeah,
nice,
no,
right, mate. Nice fucking work. We're making new things.
Nice.
3/4 marathon.
You know, Daniel-son. And beautiful fucking bit of nature as well. You know me. I love trees. Not fucking unknown.
I love trees.
Boom. We have started. And it's starting to rain. Beautiful. Let's get wet. Running up the hillage. Oh yeah. Look at the viewage. Ah! Ah! At the moment, we're just running around like fucking headless chickens. I think I'm gonna make my Minecraft base here, man. Perfect flat ground for it. Fucking no! There's a fucking sign here. Welcome to Brindley Hill. Brindley Village. Oh yeah. Slave trade and that. I'm telling you now. Doing a little trail route. Fucking hell. What, a black bear's just gonna hop out and just fucking mash me up, you know. Cocaine bear. Rather black bear. Fucking hell, that's what the Amazon rainforest is looking like right now. Deforestation and that. Mate, looks like a fucking, look like a farm, mate. Like a Minecraft farm. Fucking hell. Some gaff, John. Splendid! Some gaff here, John. The fuck? Fucking die here. Fucking old man here. Gonna molest us again. What are you doing in my swamp? Fucking way. What? Nah. Some deers on it. Yo, Daniel-san. Wax on, wax off, Daniel-san. Don't know if you can see him properly. Fucking some deers on that. Yo, they're like, yo, man. Yeah, look, a little closer view of them. Wax on, wax off, Daniel-san. Yeah, mate, they're chilling and winning now. Loving life. Imagine being a deer. Yo, lad. Yo, gee. Oh, that's where they run off. They're like, oh, yo, black man. Black bear for you. I want to scare them. Okay, so we've had a shambles, you know. We stopped running because we thought, oh yeah, we've got to the place. That is definitely not our car park here. So now we've literally got to run around about 3.7 miles, which is kind of good because that puts us over the half marathon mark. But look, 18.37 miles we did. No fucking good, mate. Let's fucking get back on it then. Yeah, we're back on track now anyway, so, you know, we're chilling. Beautiful. We're chilling and winning, so, you know, that got around about 3 miles and then we're back. So that should push us around about half marathon.
Yeah, I'd say so.
I'd say so, yeah. Too bad. Honestly, we're having a little bit of shambles here. Look at this. Get fucking smacked by a car. But, you know, we're like a mile away. We're going to turn left up here. And then we're back. Trust me. Fucking hell, we're actually done. We're here. We're near the car. There's fucking billions of people. Literally smashed it at the end. I think we just done a just over a half marathon. So, you know, the universe prevails, innit? Universe prevails. It's time to get some scranny band down me. I'd have a fucking fat shit. Yo, I remember being here. Turning left as well. Oh no, we're turning right. Mad. 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 We ran down there. Mad. Mate, we went on some mad detour today, man. Fucking hell. It was fucking good though. Honestly. Banging, banging. And I think we ran quicker as well that time than the actual half marathon. Yeah.
Possibly.
That first 18k was doing it at like 6:24. It's pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. Oh no, look where we've stumbled to. Look at this attire that I've got on as well. Jeez, looking fresh, right? We've gone and been naughty and got ourselves fucking naughty little Guinness, mate. Got to split the G. I'm gonna try the best. He's gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Reverse, yeah. Go on then, you can hold it. You can hold the camera. Let's get it. Bro, it's not too bad.
Not bad.
Smidge off. Smidge off.
I always get this wrong.
Go on then. Hey, that's good. That's good.
Terrible.
Not too bad. Not too bad. Mate, you know, shit, I'm a bit annoyed because I'm in fight camp, but you know, after a massive run like that, it's only fucking right.
Iron, mate.
Iron. We fucking teleported. Next day, with these, we're going to fucking hike down Carden Mill Valley. And you know, we've got another friend as well.
Is that what you see when you go
Should
out?
I just poke it?
I think it's a sign, you know. It's a sign you need to go as a meat eater.
The only meat I'm eating is yours. Heavy that, man. Yeah, we got the sticks as well. My Master Uguay stick. And we got his Kung Fu Panda Tekka. I'll show some tricks with the Kung Fu Panda Tekka.
I don't want to hit the card, man.
I don't even want to hit no cars. This geezer, you know. This geezer. He's gonna. We're going to show us. Quick. Oi! Ninja. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little fucking trekkage. Gonna fucking hopefully try not to get killed by any sheep.
You know.
Yo, Harry Potter Tekka, yeah. Not too shabby. Mate, I would love to live here, I'm telling you, I would love it. Look at this, man. Looking pretty nice. Got the barefoot shoes on as well. You know what we do. Chilling and winning. Not too shabby. Scenic and that. Trekking. Fucking sheep up there as well. Not fucking too shabby around here. Love nature. Fucking grounding with the grounding stick. I can feel the energy coursing through my veins. Fucking trekking some miles here, John. Ain't it, Jonathan?
Yeah.
Daniel-san.
Yeah.
Okay, she's already done. Okay, now. Yeah, okay, look at him looking all majestic.
To be fair.
Nice catch, Tekka. Look at that over there, looking all majestic and that. Look at him.
Fucking the earth.
Yeah, we got the coffees and that. Now I come prepared. Got fucking some stir fry in there as well. The coffee Tekka, big farmhouse Tekka.
Do an underarm. Yeah, do or an arm.
Go on then, son. Bat it.
Okay.
Bat the orange. Yo, that got obliterated. It's biodegradable, so it's fine. Yo, look at the fucking size of his cock, man.
Where's his car?
Fucking hell, it's hench that is. Fucking hell, I wish I had fucking that. You got a 1 inch. Yo, look, it's pointing up. Whoa! Where's that? Of course it is, man.
How is
look,
that?
he's having a good time. What? Yo, you having a poo? Nah. Yo, this is bestiality, bro. We can't put this up here. Up on here.
Think your video will be demonetised for sheep porn?
I don't even fucking make money.
Not without fucking swearing.
I'm only doing it to groom kids like you. Pause. Mate, all jokes aside, I'm loving it up here. Conquering the world, mate. With this geezer.
Yeah, it's fucking alright, isn't it?
Jump on it.
Where's the pub I was promised, man?
No guineas for you, man. No guineas. Jesus, man. Literally, filthy bastards.
Tell the fucking human race has been here, can't you?
Yeah, man. Let's do some picking.
Oh, this is a rock. This was a...
Yo, there's a conway on here, look. Look at the rock. You just fucking chuck, look.
What?
Bare geese on here, man. Yo, down your hand. Yo! Some guy here. Yeah, you good there, G? God, don't do that. Fucking hell. It is windy here.
Easy, I'll stick the landing.
Whoosh.
Right, that's all around. Let's take a
Fuck
picture
that.
of him standing
Fuck
up.
that. Come on, get a little clip of me up here. Fucking no, mate. You've never done that before.
What? Well, of course I have, to be fair.
Touch this bad boy.
Returner.
So guys, we got something. How much would you have to be paid, or would you pay for him to eat one of these? Just put it on his tongue, one of the blackberries. Come on, lad. 100 quid right now, me and him will give you 50 quid each.
No, not a chance.
I'll do it.
It can't be capped now.
Okay, put in the comments, mate. I would say 50 quid. Everyone chip in 50 quid. Make a GoFundMe, innit?
Get me a grand. Get me a grand and I'll do it.
Get you a grand and you do it.
I'll do it for 1,000 likes.
Go on then. Imagine like I become famous in the future and then like the video just gets 1,000 likes.
Here's 1,000 likes, you're like, nah, it's gotta be.
Yo, okay, it's sorted now. He's agreed to it now, so it's gonna happen.
It's gotta be like.
So make sure.
Time period's got to be 2 days, one
Nah, fuck that.
3 hours, 1,000 likes for 3 hours and I'll do it.
Yeah, an hour of the video being up.
Hour. Well, I'll get like 2 views in an hour. Oh man, some huge. 4. Why is it green? Yo, she fucking. Trekking up to the waterfall now. You fucking know. You know that. You fucking know that. Oh, you fucking gang of mushrooms. You fucking bunch of mushrooms. Oi. Got little fucking waterfalls and that on the go. Nice. That's fresh water, you know. Some fresh techers. Drinking water.
I'm getting the stream, I want to get the stream on it.
That's what Cam's like when he sees me.
Soaking. Yo, get a little video of me here. Yo. Oh shit! Fucking hell! You good? Oh shit! You good, yeah? Yo, gotta get under here. I'll get under here.
Are you drinking?
Fucking lovely, mate. Oh yeah.
Why do you sit under it?
That was nice. Fucking H2O, that was, lad. It was fucking nice. Some ears, John. Some fucking ears. You didn't answer the question properly here, lad. Also, a man down, you didn't even help him. Selfish. Oh, go on then, son. Get your head right in there. Get your
Sorry,
right.
straight for those, but...
Literally, what is the fucking point, man? Oh, if your dog shits, just leave it there, just chuck it in a fucking bush. Why are you gonna put it in plastic? That's not even fucking biodegradable. Honestly, I'm gonna sue him!
Dipping his balls in for 100 quid.
Dipping his balls in, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yo, look at his ass. He's got a fucking chewy ass, man. Yo, don't fall, man.
Walk up the river.
Yeah,
fuck it, we'll walk up.
Some gaff, John. What's that in there?
Fucking hell, John. So you are. Sunbridge.
Sunbridge.
Oh my god, something else. Who's that?
Little fucking gremlin.
Well, just like in the car. The stick's weighing him now.
Yes, mate. Fucking looking saucy, you know. Some waterfall. Mate, the sound of a waterfall is so nice and peaceful. I could just fall asleep here, I could. Right there, mate. Have a nice kick.
There's a nice fruit, isn't it? Nice fruit, bro. Like, get a bed there.
The Minecraft bed. Minecraft bed in the nether, yeah.
Should we put our Minecraft bed together?
Get away from it.
Who's son?
Oh, mate, look at that. Look what it's done, man.
Biceps and back.
After this.
Yeah, man. Good.
Mate, oh, it's looking too tempting there, lad. Mate, that was a very shit attempt. Yeah, look, man. It's actually nice. It's only just been squished.
Some experience there, ain't it, Tom? Some experience there, man.
Yeah. Okay, you know, I
On the
hate it when I
scrawny man. All got a spoonage. You know? And he's just falling asleep. Kipping on the brown. Look at him, he's going at it. He said he's finished as well. And it's vegan as well. Oh, what do you, go on, out of 10 for a stir fry.
If there was some sauce, probably.
Yeah, I need some like
Yeah, it's probably like a
Sauce
7, 8.
teriyaki sauce in there.
Probably like a 7 or 8, because there's no chicken. It's got the chicken in it for me.
You already know what we're doing here. You already know what we're doing here. Go on, Daniel, son. Let's see how. Have a little tester on this. It's not even that bad. I swear I don't, it's not even that bad, you know.
Well, look, that down. Alright, Cam, so acting like nonchalant for Cam.
Oh, nonchalant. Yo, should we get under there and look in?
Oh, yeah, though. That one, is that the one they're selling me?
Okay, now Daniel, that's on.
Well, get my galley phone then.
My toes there. Okay, now it's getting a bit cold.
Oh, yeah. Up there.
Getting wet. Some quality agua.
Yeah, potato, yeah.
Take 2. The fucking battery died. I'm gonna take 2 on it. Splendid confectionery. Some pictures here, John. All saucy, innit? Wait. Oi.
Or,
Where's the sitting down one? Show us sitting down one. Hey. Chilling.
Building contact.
Bringing myself on
I said you slim, you where I fucking stand. You fucking mad.
his leg's gone.
Fucking monkey! He's got a little up.
Realism. Oh, he's gonna hop. He's gonna hop. Oh, he's fucking cinema.
His legs are starting to work.
Absolute effect, isn't it?
Oh shit. General Grievous. Kenobi. You have the high ground, Anakin.
Oh, nah, man, look at this. That just went up my ass then. Which one was it? Is that one? Oh. Hey, you've been wanting to do this for a while. Up on a mountain and that. Chilling. Autistic children and that. You know that. Scooting and booting. Back to the car now. It's almost like 6 o'clock now. What's the time? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? 5:30. Yeah, it's almost 6. Hit a little gym session, yo, Will. You want it? Possibly. That's not very good, you know. It's not sounding very healthy. Well, you know, chilling and winning either way. Banging views. Nice bit of nature today. What he said. Yo, don't. Let's go over to him. Ah! He says he's friendly. Yes, mate. He's having a good scram. Oh, mate. At least we're not being chased like last time.
Pet him.
Yes, mate.
Go on then, go over to him. What are you
We're
saying?
friendly. We're friendly. We are. But he's not. You need to watch out around him, mate. You need to watch out around him.
No one fuck you up. No one just go into your balls, man. You're not having children.
We'll just leave it at that. Just gonna go into your balls.
Around your balls, man.
I'm not tenser. Woo! Simon! Was!
She killed an animal.
You just killed an animal in there.
Typical.
Extra slime in there.
Yo, what's going on here, sir? See his balls? He's got balls as well.
Yo, this tree's mad, you
He's
know.
got a cock and balls.
Nah, I don't think that's a cock, you know, lad.
Is that a slug in there?
Ah, can't believe you killed him, man.
Feel bad for him, man.
Oh, no, he's still alive, you know.
You got short.
He's looking chilling.
He's just blind because a stick prodded him in the eyes.
Please. Yes, daddy. Daddy boy. Yo, he's all twitching and that in his belly. I want to see it twitching. Go on. He's not even twitching. Yo, he's an emo, he is. He's an emo, it's you, lad. You back a day.
I still see you, shit.
It was in my room.
That was the trim back a day.
Tonight will be the night, yeah.
The little baby one looks friendly.
Little babe.
Yeah, typical.
You talking about babies and being bear friendly? That's crazy.
It's a crazy comment from you, Cam.
Where's coming from you, mate? It's just like, come on, lad.
I just want to pet him, man.
Yeah, that's all you want to do.
Nothing's stopping.
Knowing you, like. It's getting dark and that now. Good little 2 days. Still got another 2 days off because I have Monday off as well. No workage. Mate, I just need to show you something. So, I am going to DMB All-Stars, Portugal. It's going to be filthy. You know what? It's going to be filthy as well. I got VIP, and you need to see the fucking weather. I've just checked it. Mate, tell me why. Right now, it is 57 degrees. Right now, it's 57 degrees. It's night time, mate. It's getting night time. And in the day, it can get up to over 60 degrees. Are you mad? What the fuck? That's gonna like fucking kill me off, that is. Mate, it's gonna be like going, like raving in a fucking sauna, mate. I'm glad I'm gonna be going sober, mate. Of course, we got the fightage. We got another fight on the 10th of May. So when we get back, 4 days, chilling and winning, smash up someone. You know that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was pretty funny, to be fair. It was a good little video. Little marathon, little hikeage and that with the lads and lass. Chilling and winning. Take care though. I'll see you in the next one. Wait. 1 sec before you go. I've just checked. It's 17 degrees right now. I don't know what's going on. It's bugging. It's bugging, I lie. I think it's going to be like 27 degrees. So, not going to be too bad. But yeah, fucking safe, you dickhead.